what extent has the project been successful? The project has been very successful, and our code worked out pretty well. And it also has been successful because I have learned how to do some things that I didn't know how to do. How the perspective has changed to this project. I used to think coding was sort of easy, but getting into a bigger project and a bigger difficulty of coding gets really complicated and has a lot of different things that I didn't know how to do, but with help I could understand some of them. What are the areas of opportunities in my project? What improvements can we make? I think the coding could have been easier if we made it longer and we didn't try to optimize it as much. And but in the end it still worked out pretty well. And another improvement I think we could have done is to make the machine a bit lighter so it wouldn't have to weight as much. And what significant outcomes did it have in terms, skills, and knowledge thanks to this project? Well, I learned how to do more specific things like coding the actual robot itself. And coding is actually way more complicated than I thought. I also learned how to do a lot of different things on Tinkercad. I learned how to do more like specific and minor details that are really important to the robot itself. And yeah, I basically learned how to do Tinkercads pretty well. Then, what aspects of my personality has changed? Not really much, but my knowledge and my understanding of coding and construction of a Tinkercad has become way better, and I know what I'm going to study now as a career professional. To what extent have I been a key element of the project development? Well, I had very good creativity and very good thinking of what we could do on the beginning, but on the end part, I was kind of getting apart because I didn't know how to do much of the coding because it's a pretty high level of coding. And on the Tinkercad, I helped out with a lot of different stuff and different sizes of the little pieces, and also on the scale of the robot itself. What would I do different after having this experience? I mean, I would probably learn how to code better because I kind of know how to code, but it's not as good as some other people. And my career has a bit of coding, not a lot, but it does have coding. And I would probably I will be probably taking the next semester's coding lesson, but I will probably join also like particular lessons of coding because I don't think I could join the Blue Ignition team because I don't have enough time.